Oh, these are beautiful mountains, beautiful textures. While traveling on the Indus Highway from Karachi to Sakhar and then further to Bahawalpur. This is wonderful. As you can see, a lot of beautiful scenes on my left. On the right is the river, as you can see on the map. Indus River on the right, and on the left there are some mountain ranges. These are beautiful places. Yeah. So this is beauty of Pakistan. One must travel, and only you would only know this once you travel by road, especially. While traveling in aeroplanes, you won't be able to see this all. Wow, look at that mountain series. Samne. Majestic. Ashir? This route we should have traveled before. This is wonderful. Oh God, my God. Huge mountain. आप ये देखिए आप, और अच्छी रोड हो,
राइट्स लगे हैं राइट साइड,
ये देखिए आप राइट्स।